A Parquet file is a columnar storage format in the Apache Hadoop ecosystem designed for efficient storage and processing of large-scale data. It supports advanced features for faster query execution, like compression, schema evolution, and metadata storage. Let's say that if you have 100 megabyte data and if you convert it to Parquet file, means convert it to column format and compress it, your file gets into about 10 to 20 megabyte. If your data is 1 gigabyte, with Parquet file, you can make it to 100 to 200 megabyte with 10x compression ratio, which is very typical for analytical data. And if you have 1 terabyte data, you can convert it to 100 to 200 gigabyte. It's a significant size reduction with compression. Let's take this example. We have this table, 3 rows, 4 columns. If you get row-based data storage in disk, this is how we can have data back-to-back in a row basis. But if you get column-based data storage in disk, this is how we can have this data. Let's consider this SQL query. Select all from loans where ID is 2. It seems this is good performance for row-based format and bad performance for columnar format. But if we come up with aggregations, select some amount from loans. It seems bad performance for row-based format, but it comes with really great performance for columnar format. If you would like to filter rows based on specific columns, if you have aggregations like summation, average, if you want to do queries with a subset of columns, if you want to do large analytical queries, we can go with Parquet files. But if you want to fetch all columns of a specific rows, we can work with traditional mode, row-based dataset like CSV file. If you want to do insert, update, delete operations, and if you wish to do joins between tables, row-based is still the great choice.